The idea of creating designs is very simple and easy. I created this poster design using an iPad mockup and a dimension of 1080 by 1350 pixels with a resolution of 300. I will show you how I did it in Affinity. Okay, so let's start with the mockup. Okay, so this is the mockup of the iPad. I will drop this arrow here and then double click here because this is the image for the screen, right? So I will replace this image with a design. So let's double click and then let's import the image for the screen. Okay, so this is it. So we copy and paste. Okay, so you can see we now have our image in the screen. All right. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to save this iPad in the PNG format. I need to turn this background off. And I think there's a shadow here which I don't want. I need to turn it off. Okay, so we click export. Okay, so let's start with the design. So the first thing I want to do is to add the Affinity logo. I don't want to import it. I want to place the logo icon here. Before I place the logo, let me switch to vector and then we choose place. So this is the logo. So now you can see the logo here. Let's reduce the size. So the next thing I would want to add is the iPad. So let's pick it from here. I want to drag and drop it. All right. This is it. Okay, so now let's reduce the size of the iPad. Okay, so now I want to add a background shadow to the iPad. This icon right here, it's layer effects. So you click here and it opens this pop-up for you and then you choose outer shadow. So let's add a text. And then let me change the font. Okay, so the next thing I'll do is to reduce the size of the logo a bit. Okay, so now I want to add another text to the design. So let me duplicate this one. Okay, so there you have it, but I'll change this font to Montserrat. Okay, so now let's add the Apple Pencil. There you have it. Okay, so I would like to add shadow to this pencil, all right, so that it looks like the pencil is on the tablet. Okay, so you select the layer like this and then you choose your layer effects and then you choose this outer shadow. As you can see, the pencil it's on the tablet with some shadows, you know, making it realistic. So the last thing I want to do is to change the background color for the design. All right, so I have two options. I have the gray effect for the background, and then I have the dark aspect for the background. So this is how you apply it. So you select pixel, and then you choose new fill layer. All right, and then you double click here to choose this option. Okay, so this is it, and then you move this behind like this. Okay, so this is it, and the other option is this. We just have to duplicate this layer, and then we double click here, and then we choose this color. So we can also change this color for the text because it's on a dark background. So what I did is to change the color for this text. So I choose white for this, and then I choose this color for this logo. All right, so let's switch to the logo. So this is the logo. So when you select the shape, and then you choose this color code here, just copy it, and then we apply this color code here. So you paste it like this. So then we change this one to white, and then this also to white. Okay, so this is how I created this beautiful poster design. So if you found this video helpful, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget, like, share, and leave your comments. I'll see you in the next video.